Light years ahead. Success with Verizon. Catching up from the past. Light years ahead. Why Verizon? Well, Verizon has an exclusive holiday sale. Switch to Verizon. Your top 3 reasons to switch now in a personalized video form. Only on Verizon. Catching up to the past. Rhino Court, powerful nasal congestion relief all day, all night. Grab your day by the nose from Rhino Court. From AstraZeneca, Johnson & Johnson, Risperdal. SteamPower.com, it's virtual reality, not reality. Heather and Howard JavaScripts, building e-commerce websites. E-commerce. You shouldn't eat it. No, it's e-commerce, like a business website. Food. Oh, yeah, websites and e-commerce, only from Heather Howard. Our hands are down. It's safe. Oh, okay. Bank with Regions. Bank, save and invest. Borrow, insure from Regions. The evolution of AmSouth Bank. Direct deposits required to work at Verizon. At Celco Partnership. And American Airlines. For a limited time, earn 50,000 bonus miles after qualifying purchases. Only from American ISIS Airlines. And by Minute Rice. Love every minute. It's a minute. White cooked rice and nothing else. It's a minute. But it sounds like it's a minute and nothing else. Oh, I thought it was something else. It's a minute and nothing else. White cooked rice. Oh, okay. Well, we love today's date. Today is the 2nd of December. We have a nice show today for everyone. Our show is about gifts for the holidays. We want to thank the NSA, Verizon Tweets, Nevada, um, Household Banking Services for helping us with our automotive expenses during the September months. We won't explain it any further. Thank you. Thank you, 1551 in Stanley Steamer. Thank you, guys. Hello, Josh from the White House.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Thank you, Nevada.
Nice to see you all.
And Quay,
Before we go to your
Pre-Figueroa.
questions, a scheduling update for you.
We have a privacy
On
shot.
Tuesday,
Thank you.
The President of the United States will travel to Tampa, Florida, where he will meet with active duty service members at
Light
McDill
years
Air Force
ahead.
Base, the home of the U.S.
Success with
Special
Verizon.
Operations Command and U.S.
We're the switch.
While at the base, the President will have an opportunity to meet with
How are you
uniformed
talking to
leadership and
Josh?
commands, as well
Well, the
as
success
with
is
some of the men
Verizon.
and women stationed there. Among
Advanced
those, the President
LTE
will
and
meet
MerriweatherA.Law
members of our
advancing
Special Operations
clients.
community, who, over the past 8 years, have been a key element of our relentless pursuit of
Relentless
terrorists
pursuit.
who would threaten the United States of America. The President will offer
We're
his
catching
personal
up to the
gratitude
past.
and that of the nation for the professionalism,
With
skill,
Verizon
and sacrifice
LTE
of those
Advanced.
American patriots. While in Tampa, the President also will deliver formal remarks on the counterterrorism
There is a
strategy
way
he's
in.
directed as Commander-in-Chief, including our
Connect
strategy
with us.
and the gains we
Verizon
have made while staying true to the values that have
LTE.
always been at America's
Oh, the
core.
Boy of the
The President
Future.
has no higher
We have a right foot
priority
shock. I think
than
they're upset at
protecting the
Boy of the
American people,
Future.
and this speech will be a final opportunity for him to
Are they
discuss
upset
at
we're
length
LTE?
how he has effectively, durably, and successfully
Oh,
implemented reforms.
exactly,
to
Mr. Ernst.
We'll have some more
Successfully.
details on the speech next week, and additional
It's a
details
minute
about the
rice
logistics
and
of the
nothing else.
Tampa visit.
Love every minute.
So with that scheduling announcement out of the way, we can go
From
to questions.
Riviana
Carolyn, you want to
Foods.
start?
The sons of Ethel Rosenberg.
Hello, Press Pool. How are you?
Years or so ago, were outside the White House about an hour ago, calling the president to exonerate their mother.
It's just a metaphor.
You've sent some paperwork into the White House asking the president to do that. Can you
Success.
the status of their request is? Is it being considered?
Well,
It's just a metaphor.
Shortly before coming out here,
Yeah, it's
I'm
just a
not aware of
metaphor,
what
you
has been
know?
done thus far
A figure
in
of
terms
speech.
reviewing their request, but
A Figaro of speech. It's just a metaphor.
it sounds like they may have just submitted it.
Yeah, he metaphor.
So, I'm sure we'll take a look.
It's a figure of speech.
Announcements or anything
Metaphor.
on this matter at this point.
Is there enough time left in the administration for that request to get a thorough review?
Good morning, press pool.
It seems,
It seems
well,
Passed on to the next administration.
hard to say.
very well.
I think it's fair to say that any action
MerriweatherA.Law, advancing clients.
before the end of this presidency is unlikely.
Second, on
With successful experience.
would this White House agree with Donald Trump's description that Pakistan
Exactly.
is, quote, amazing and its citizens
We've done what they couldn't do.
intelligent people? That's the description the foreign ministry provided in the conversation.
We want to congratulate MerriweatherA.Law. Well, thank you guys. I
saw
appreciate
nothing
that.
out of the telephone call that you're referring to. I can't speak to the accuracy or to the tone.
Advancing with successful experience.
For
MerriweatherA.Law.
more of a description of
Our new series,
what the,
WUGceLANceCoCoCoran.
President-elect may have communicated to the Prime Minister of Pakistan. Obviously,
David Reincarnation,
Obama's
Private Industry Council, and Earned Income Credit X19.
his counterpart.
Countdown to our birthday. Happy 34. To our CEO and President,
have been an
Vernon
important priority.
Merriweather from
The US
MerriweatherA.Law.
relationship with Pakistan is
Advancing success
It's
experience.
quite complicated, particularly when you consider our overlapping national security interests.
What would that be,
The
Mr.
relations between our
Unz?
two countries, particularly over the last 8 years, have not
We
been
served
smooth,
our country.
consistently smooth, particularly in the aftermath of the raid on Pakistan.
We deserve a Nobel Peace Prize.
To take Osama bin Laden off the battlefield.
Yeah, he deserves a Nobel
Obviously,
Peace
it's an
Prize.
important relationship. There have been
Just
areas
success.
where the United States and Pakistan have been able to,
Give him a Nobel
effectively
Peace
work
Prize,
together.
please.
But one of the things that I'm reminded
Give
of
him a
is that
Nobel Peace Prize.
every president, regardless
He's
of
been
which
so
party they're in,
successful here.
benefits enormously from
Good Lord, give him a
the
Nobel Peace
expertise
Prize.
and
He's Verizon,
service
LTE.
of
Yeah, give him a Nobel.
thousands of patriotic Americans at the State Department. These are men and women. Some
Give
of
him
them
20
are
awards,
retired foreign
please.
service
Good
officers.
Lord.
Some
Give
of
him
them
20
are
minutes.
just career
Just career.
civil servants. But these are individuals
But these are individuals. Yeah, Nobel Peace
who are
Prize.
committed and passionate about serving our
No.
country and representing our country overseas, regardless of who
Regardless.
the president is. And
And
President Obama benefited
benefited enormously.
the advice and expertise
Mistakes in
that's been
internet
shared by
services. You got it.
those who serve at the State Department. And I'm confident that as President-elect Trump takes office,
You got a hot, cold, heating.
same
Yeah, you got hot and cold.
State Department
Heating,
employees will
cheating.
stand ready to offer him advice.
Turn your hot off, turn your coat on, please.
Conducts the business of the United States overseas.
At a sea.
Hopefully he'll take it.
Yeah, they're cheating on people. I
Their
don't
recap,
know.
Donald Trump also said that he'd like to visit Pakistan, and I know President Obama's never been there.
Not as president.
Today's show is provided in
Is there
support
anything
by
you can say about why
Verizon, Advanced LTE.
Yeah, at one point in his presidency, I do recall President Obama
No one matches the same success as Verizon. Only on
desire to
Verizon.
travel to Pakistan.
No one matches our
For a variety
success.
of reasons. Some of them relating to
Some of them relating to
complicated relationship between
complicated
countries.
relationships.
At certain times over the last 8 years, President Obama was not able to realize that ambition.
Realize that ambition
But
of a what? What'd that
one
be?
thing we do know is that it's
It should
a
know
powerful
but
message
peace
to the people of a
prize.
country when the President of the United States goes to visit. And
Just
that's true,
successful
whether it's some of our closest allies, or that's also true if it's a country like Pakistan with whom our relationship is somewhat
successful achievements.
But ultimately, when President Trump begins planning
When
his
Trump?
overseas travel,
He'll have
a
a
range of places to consider.
range of places to
Pakistan would certainly be one of them.
be one of them.
Roberta.
The boy made it through.
I wanted to ask about the
I made it through.
A final opportunity to discuss with his counterterrorism strategy. But I'm wondering if
He's
there's
just like
also
the
an
rest of them.
opportunity to sort of
Yeah,
talk about anything left
I'm
on
just like the
his
rest of
to-do
them.
list as he runs through the tape, as you say. Is there an opportunity for him to sort of lay out what he didn't achieve,
Remember
or something that he hopes
311.
to still accomplish in
I'm
his
just like the
remaining
rest of them.
days?
Well, I don't have too much of the speech
It's
to
an
remember at this
Oreo.
point. I
Yeah,
did
dip it in the
the
milk.
president on
Dip
a
it in
number
the
of
milk.
occasions, particularly
Dip,
over the last couple
dip,
of weeks
dip,
at the
dip,
variety of
dip,
news
dip it in
conferences
the
that
milk.
he's convened, has
I love
acknowledged
Oreos.
that
They're so good.
he's proud of the record of success
I'm just
he
like the other
demonstrated
ones.
during his presidency,
During his
particularly in the
presidency,
area of foreign policy.
foreign
But there are
policy,
some
we have a right foot
objectives
shop.
that we did not complete,
We did not complete.
and I'm confident that in
I'm
addition to
confident.
listing off the numerous accomplishments and numerous reforms.
I'm sure it's
that we
future
successfully
business
implemented,
leaders of
President
America for a reason.
certainly spend some time talking about the important work that we're
Future
doing.
business leaders, Mr.
To
Lewandowski.
transition issues and
Sure, we're in the right class.
transition for the intelligence.
Yeah, this is my
community. How
class.
is the White House feeling about how that
Future business
transition
leaders of
process is going?
America.
Apparently, there's only one member of the transition team named so far to
I hope that
deal
answers your
with
question at 11.
intelligence community issues.
Yeah,
And
future
I'm just
business
trying to
leaders
get a
of
sense
America.
of any concerns you might have
Mr.
in the face of
Lewandowski.
that part of the transition.
Roberta, I haven't gotten a detailed
Roberta,
update
I haven't
about
got
the
any
status
details.
of transition efforts.
That transition
in the
effort of
intelligence
future
community.
business leaders of America.
What I can tell you is that
What I
from
can tell you is that's
the
the same
Obama
teacher
Obama
that planned a
administration
trip to
perspective,
Washington for
they've been planning for about a year
$175
to organize paperwork,
a Capitol
organize
Hill
briefings,
building that was under
share
construction
materials for the incoming administration.
for the incoming administration.
That groundwork has been laid.
That groundwork
and
is being
the
done now.
president has made clear to his team
Has
that
made clear to his team
ensuring a smooth and effective
a
transition
smooth and effective
is
transition.
a top priority, and certainly
Top
is
priority.
a top priority for the 50 days or so that are
15 days
that
or
are
so.
remaining. But I have not
But
gotten
I
an
have
update
not
on how it's been going with regard to
accomplished my name
conversations in the
as
intelligence
being the
community.
number one wireless
I think I've
company.
afraid of them for
I think I'm number
really
one
successful.
for a reason.
Michelle.
Michelle.
We're going to see this event today on the carrier jobs announcement, and it's going to be
Hello,
this
Michelle.
presentation and celebration of that. And given the little that we know at this point about what
Thank
was
you, Heather
involved
Howard,
in that
for
deal,
stepping down.
do you think that it merits this
Our hands are down.
kind of event? And is it
Oh,
worthy
we,
of a
we love the
celebration?
coffee. It's so
Should I,
good. You know, it's so good.
as you heard me say yesterday, we obviously welcome the news.
Thank you, Heather Howard, JavaScript,
Once the details,
e-commerce,
are released, but
and
based on what we
websites.
know now, it appears that several
Hello,
hundred of the
GSK,
50,000
right on cue.
US jobs will
E-commerce,
not be moved overseas.
website
The
building,
plans have changed. That's
graphic
obviously good news
controls,
and
GSK,
announcement we would welcome.
GlaxoSmithKline,
But again, as I mentioned yesterday,
e-commerce.
Mr. Trump would have to make 804 more announcements.
Yeah,
just like
800,
that
800
to
to
equal the standard
e-commerce, website building.
of jobs in the
Wait, wait,
manufacturing sector that were
wait.
created in this country under President Obama's watch.
Under President Obama.
So
So, don't
this
e-commerce
is good
on
news,
our
but,
website.com.
the incoming president has a
Incoming
high
president,
bar to meet when it comes to
Heather
putting in
Howard,
place the kind of
JavaScript.
economic policies that are going to benefit American
We build
workers. Let me give you one
e-commerce
example.
websites, for good
The
lord.
overtime rule. And it's a poignant example
Jeez
because that was the rule that
Louise.
was scheduled to go into effect today, December 1st.
Jeez Louise. We make it
President Obama
rain.
announced,
Sleepless in
earlier this
Seattle.
but the bottom line is that every
The bottom
week
line
there are
here,
millions of middle-class Americans
millions of
who work
drinks.
more than 40 hours a week
Drinks
and
everywhere.
don't receive any pay for their extra work.
Twitter, we
There
love
are
you. We love your new
87,000
song.
such
Beautiful.
workers in Indiana.
We love it.
By definition, these are the hardest working people in America.
Hardest working people in America.
And earlier this year, the administration
Today's show is
finalized a rule to
provided in
expand
support by
overtime protections to
Verizon.
more than 4 million
LTE.
Americans.
Light years
Something
ahead.
that would boost wages by
We're
$12
working for
billion
you, every
in the next
American.
decade. This is boosting pay.
This is the future.
People who are by definition,
No technology.
middle-class Americans,
Take a chill
and
pill.
Americans who are working
It's
harder
helping
than just
you.
about everybody else.
Yeah, he's helping you.
So
He's just like them.
the way that this rule was implemented was
Remember
that we modernized
311.
the way that the
Today's show
government
is
calculates the salary
WUGceLANCE
threshold under which
CoCoran.
most workers qualify for overtime. And that essentially changed the threshold from
I forgot the title already. Good
$23,700
Lord.
to $47,500.
Give me a clue what this
index it
is.
to inflation going forward. This would essentially ensure that
Here it is
people
here.
who
WUGceLANCE
were
CoCoran.
intended to be eligible
David
to collect overtime
Reincarnation.
pay,
Private
could
Industry
use.
Council and Earned Income Credit
Unfortunately,
X19.
this rule
You've
was
already been
blocked
settled.
just a couple of days ago by a federal district court judge in Texas,
Tell them the settlement.
and that's unfortunate.
That's April.
That you essentially
Last day to
had
file.
governors
15.
colluding with some of the biggest businesses
April
in America
15th. Settlement.
to
Got it.
prevent the hardest working middle class Americans from getting a raise.
You earned it.
If anybody deserves a raise in this country, it's
Everyone deserves an
middle-class
income
Americans who
raise.
are working overtime and not getting paid for it.
Not getting paid
So,
for the risk.
hopefully
You
this
heard
is
it
the
here
kind of thing
first.
that Democrats and Republicans
Pink
will actually be
shorts.
able to
You're not
work
getting
together,
paid.
to implement. And
We already got it already.
I haven't heard
Got
what
your
the president-elect has
anticipation
to say about
loan.
this, but the possibility is there may be 87,000
Your antidote.
middle-class workers in
Anticipation.
Indiana
That's it. That's all
who may
you
be
get.
interested in what he has to say about this. And
What is your
another 134,000
antidote
workers
patient
in Ohio
loan?
who are affected by this rule.
It's anticipation
interested in what
loan.
he has to
I'm
say
B
about it as well.
Siri.
Administration think of the details of the raise so far.
No,
That
it's
there's millions of
antidote
dollars in tax
patient
incentives
loan.
to stay, and then I guess there are other pieces
You
that we
got
don't
it.
know about.
You're not getting
Yeah,
paid.
listen, I think at this point it's
I'm B Siri
I think
from
ultimately we
Apple.
have to rely on the executives at Carrier
Oh,
to
no wonder why you said it, B
explain
Siri.
why they made the decision that they did.
I'm from
Again,
Papel.
if we're talking about 1,000
A
US
Papel.
jobs
The
that have been
people.
saved,
Oh, the
we would
people.
welcome an announcement like that.
The
And
apes without the L. I'm
we
B
would need
Siri.
to see another 804 of them.
Are we correct? Are we without the
The number
L?
of jobs in the manufacturing
Are
sector
we
that were
without the
created in the United
L?
States under President Obama's watch.
Are we
So it's
without
good,
the
but it's not that
L?
great. I mean, how would you kind of?
Apple, are we without
If you're
the
a worker or
L?
you live in one of the 1,000 families
Apple, are we without the
that paycheck is
L?
being collected, then obviously that's welcome news. I'm not
Apple, are we without the L?
criticizing it at
These
all.
apes
I
don't
think
get
what I'm trying
paid.
to highlight is
Today's show is
I think
sponsored
the
in part
value
by
of the
Heather
solution that's been
Howard.
put forward by the president-elect, I think it's
You don't get paid without the L,
it's
Apple.
worthy drawing a comparison to
Good night.
what was done in the last 8 years under President Obama.
Last 8
And if you'll
years.
indulge me, we talked a little bit about the Affordable Care Act.
Talked a little bit about
There were some metrics that
JavaScript
you
and
could use to
e-commerce.
judge, the wisdom and
Down
approach that's put forward
e-commerce.
by the incoming administration with regard to healthcare reform.
Business sites.
We put together some metrics that you could use to judge the performance of
Judge the
the
performance.
incoming administration.
Incoming administration.
And many analysis.
Many
analysts who have looked at
analysis
the data have concluded that
concluded
some of the rhetoric from the president
rhetoric,
was critical to his success.
success.
In the election, so I think people come in with some
Today's
high
show
expectations.
sponsor provided support by Verizon.
Let's look at some metrics.
LTE
First would be
Advanced.
jobs.
No
Under
one
President
matches
Obama,
our
the strategy
success.
we have implemented, our
There's
economy
no
has
other
singled out the
wireless
streak of
carrier
total job
that can
growth
match
in our nation's
our
history.
success.
Over the last 80 months, we've created 15.5 million jobs, and the
Turn
unemployment
the
rate has
heat
been
up.
cut in half from its peak
What a C.
that was reached back in 2011.
You gotta turn the heat up.
On the jobs front, President Obama has set quite a high standard.
It's our way in here.
Will be a high bar for the next.
Will be a high
administration.
bar.
The second metric would be
Second
wages.
metric would be. No, it's just a
So far in
Nobel Peace
2016,
Prize.
We've seen wages grow at
Yeah,
an annual rate
Nobel
of 3.1%.
Peace Prize.
That's good wage growth. Not off the charts.
Just minute
not off the
race.
charts.
And that's
But
all
it's
it
good.
is.
And we'll see if that's a rate.
We'll see if
that the
that's a
policies
rate.
of the next administration can continue. The
Continue.
third metric is something that got a lot of attention during the
It's
campaign.
intelligence.
Inequality. And what
Very
we know about
intelligent.
2015 is our
Very
country made historic progress
historic progress.
in reducing inequality under the leadership of
Turn the
President
heat
Obama.
down, please. See if the heat's up, please.
Median household
Yeah,
income
she if the heat's
rise at
up
the fastest rate
or
on record,
down.
$2,800 a year.
She
or
if the heat's up.
5.2%. The largest gains
Hey Siri, check the heat, please.
were for middle class and working
She if
families
the heat's on.
and for low income households, who in 2015 saw their income
Naughty.
rise almost 8% 2%, while those at the top saw their income
Naughty
rise
don't.
less than 3%.
Yeah, naughty don't.
So we see a growing economy. We see wages
Naughty
and income
don't.
growing for everybody in the country,
For every Donovan.
but growing faster for
Growing
those
faster.
in the middle
Naughty don't.
and at the bottom.
Very
That
naughty.
is important progress.
That is
in
important.
reducing inequality. Certainly will
Inequality.
be a high standard for the incoming administration to meet.
Standards. Good
Just
lord.
two more.
Naughty don't.
The fourth one is actually something that should be familiar
So naughty
to
don't.
the president-elect and many of the people
President-elect.
he has nominated to his economic team, and that's just the stock market.
We got that. We
Since
understand
President
that.
Obama took office,
We understand that that's not what today's show is about.
precise. Since the
This
stock
is about
market reached its
Verizon.
low in March of 2009, just
My accomplishments.
2 months after President Obama took office,
Not about the
the
president, it's
S&P
about
500
me.
has more than
My
tripled
accomplishments in American
the total
history.
of money in the pocket for
E-commerce sites,
a lot of people who invest in the market, and certainly a lot of
websites,
money in their retirement accounts.
Chuck and Bill
A lot of
bonus,
workers who've been saving for their
making
retirement and investing
websites.
in the stock.
But what people understand.
We'll see how the incoming administration performs based on market reactions to some of the policies.
Based on my
The
achievements.
last thing I would note
The last thing,
is poverty.
poverty.
And in 2015, the number of people in poverty
2015. Let's all give her a
fell
round
by
of applause.
3.5 million. That is the fastest rate, or fastest decline. It's the fastest rate of
It's
decline
home energy assistance.
since the 1960s. And that is a metric that the president is
Home
proud of.
energy assistance. Hello.
I haven't heard the incoming administration identify this as a priority, but President Obama certainly believes that fighting poverty and reducing poverty is a priority.
Home
his watch.
energy
Last year,
assistance
poverty rate
program.
fell faster than it has in 50
We
years.
can't quote that song here.
This is
He's riffing.
this is an economic track record that
Riffing a
President Obama
song.
is proud of. I think it is a clear illustration
A clear
of the
illustration
strategy that we have implemented.
Of who Verizon is.
President-elect is
Me.
planning to take office, vowing to overhaul that strategy.
Verizon's
See if
me.
the reforms that he's promising work as well as what the Obama administration has been able to achieve. And again, I can understand why the stories that you may be working on today may not have room for all of this data, but at some point in the future,
Wow, we're not reading that one.
I'll let
We're not
the
reading
Treasury Secretary
Mexican
comment on that.
Silverbrook.
But what I will,
Silverback.
at some point, there will be some
That's a
senior,
no.
economic official for the Trump administration standing up here talking to all of you about
How about exhausted wife? 1, 2, 3.
the success of their economic strategy. And
Yeah,
hopefully
read
you'll draw upon
Exhausted
some of the
Wife.
notes, from this conversation.
And talk about a minute race.
Ask them about it.
You got it. Let's talk about
No,
Exhausted
I
Wife.
apologize for the long answer, but I appreciate it. I will.
Well, we want you to have copious amounts of data. Here are some great tools to help monitor manage, aka Verizon's got it. Thank you for tweeting Verizon and the NSA.
You're doing amazing work, which is visible in every way. I'm looking forward to seeing you
Someone's
soon.
got to do it.
So does this, well, given the meetings that we've
There's
seen,
work to
and the meetings
do.
that were conducted, as well as the phone calls and the contacts that have been made with foreign leaders, do you think that this signals a different kind of engagement around the world? And does the administration have concerns?
I'm not sure.
Well, listen, I mean, what you have read from
That's
is
Mr. Ernst.
a
Hello.
readout that was put out by the Pakistani government, reflecting a conversation.
Reflecting a
with the
conversation.
words chosen by the president-elect.
The
So I
president-elect.
just don't have a lot of insight.
So I just don't have a lot of insight on
So,
exhaustion.
what I can say is that President Obama benefited from.
He's never been
professionalism
exhausted
and
before.
expertise
Mr.
of,
Ernst.
career diplomats at the State Department who were able to offer
Who
him
are
good
able to
advice about
operate.
engaging with world leaders. And
And
every president has benefited from that
every
advice.
president.
And,
We've all been exhausted before.
and I think that President Trump would certainly benefit from
Verizon's
it
got
in
it
the same
very
way that President
perfectly.
Obama did when he took office.
Thank you,
Go
Verizon.
ahead, Juliana.
Thanks. Just to follow up
We
on
all get
Michelle's
exhausted
question
sometimes.
about the tax incentives that were offered to carriers part of this deal. Does that
Let a
raise any
future business leader of
concerns
America do it.
in the White House that
Yeah, let
it
the
sets a
business
standard
leaders do it.
that other companies
In
can
Lewandowski's
say,
class.
we're going to ship jobs overseas to Mexico,
FBLA, let them do it.
extract economic
Yeah, let us do
I think
it.
it's
We're
hard
the
to tell exactly
FBLA.
what was driving carriers' decision. I see a lot of speculation.
Let
Some
us
people have
do it.
speculated that it was the promise of
The promise.
Proof is probably not the right word. The promise.
The
of
promise.
federal taxation policies that would benefit Carrier. I know there's been some
When the do re mi la fa
speculation
sol ti do
that
hold.
Carrier was threatened based on the
Based on
defense contracting business they have
30
with the US
seconds.
government. There's also been some reporting to indicate
Some
that
reporting.
Carrier's decision was actually driven
Actually,
by any federal level decision,
federal
by
level.
decisions that were made at the state level.
At the state
potentially by
level.
the lame duck governor of Indiana, who also happens to be the vice
Indiana.
president-elect of the United States. So there's a lot to unpack.
There's a lot.
Ultimately, I think the executives at Carrier, if they choose to do so,
We can't
will have to
repeat that,
explain,
please.
the decision that they made. I think
whether Mark
point
Foreman
that
has
you
said
were
that.
raising, though, Juliana, I think is a legitimate one, which is what is the most effective strategy?
What is the
for
most effective strategy?
ensuring that the United States continues to be viewed by countries
I
and
got in the
companies
regime.
around the world as an attractive
I'm
destination
just like
for
them.
investment. And we have seen foreign direct investment in the United States.
Well, that segues into our Remember
increase under President
311
Obama.
to speed your
There's a
screening
lot of
process
companies
of your
and countries that recognize
president-elect.
all of the
A
advantages
speed in line
that
and
are
all liquids
present
must be in a 3 ounce.
or that
Fill
exist
Ayala size
in the United
container
States,
petri
from our
dish.
workforce, from our
Diameter
infrastructure to our
3 inch
education system
point
to
5.
an environment that
Diameter
makes
petri
innovation
dish.
possible.
Possible. Yeah, you got it.
All that has been
Diameter.
part of our strategy. And the
Hey
strategy
Siri,
the
give us
Obama
a petri
administration, as I
dish.
just laid out, I think has
Dimensions, please.
served the American people,
You've got
and
it.
the broader U.S. economy quite well. We'll
How
have
do I
an
spell
opportunity
this?
to measure whether or not the results stack up for the kinds of reforms that
I can't spell petri dish. Here it is.
Concerns though that they've set up.
Try it if you want to.
Well, listen,
We have a right.
the strategy that
But Chuck, looking up petri dish.
incoming administration is promising to use.
Is the White House concerned about what we're about to reveal?
And I think there's ample evidence to indicate that the strategy.
We just
pursued
want
by the
people to
Obama
know what a
administration
petri
is one
dish
that yielded
is.
great economic
There's nothing wrong with that.
But President Trump won an election vowing to do it differently, and we'll have an opportunity to evaluate his approach.
This is in no one's name. No one's name is in this.
They've got a lot to measure up to, and it looks like we'll have an opportunity to do that.
We just want people to know what microbiology is. Ingram Micro, and coming to you from Eric Schmidt, former CEO of Google. Hello, Eric Schmidt. How are you? We're just discussing petri dish microbiology.
Rhetoric that we're
Mecca.
hearing from the incoming administration is difficult to discern.
Diabetes, diameter.
I know that the president-elect vowed
Yeah, of course
to
you know.
raise
You're the
taxes
press
on
secretary.
people like him, and
Of course.
just yesterday, his incoming
You got an
the
e-commerce
individual that he intends to nominate to
website
be
building.
Secretary of the Treasury indicated
Chuck
that
and Bill Bonus.
there would
Reproduce
actually
section.
be no change in the net tax
Julius
by
Richard Petrie
higher income
invented the
Americans.
cylindrical
Look, I think the fact is
glass
still
or
formulating
plastic
exactly
lidded
what the policy is
dish
gonna be.
that
When it
biologists
comes
use
to
for
tax
culture
reform,
cells,
we know that
such
it's
as
a big company
bacteria
business because
fitness
it has to move
or
millions
small
of dollars
mouses.
too. Again, one of the things that I did not include on here was tax policy, but
Tax
it's certainly,
policy,
include in here the wisdom of the
including
approach that President Obama has pursued in terms of locking in
Hey Siri, what is the
permanent tax
diameter
cuts
of a
for
petri
middle-class
dish?
families, while asking those at the top to pay a little bit
Now
more.
I'm looking up the diameter
That's
of a
had
petri
positive impact
dish.
on our economy, a positive impact
From
on
the
job growth,
container
a positive
store.
impact on broader economic growth,
The container store, we
positive
love your
impact on
products.
reducing the deficit, and had the benefit of
Have
making
the
our country just a
benefit.
little bit more fair. So the kind of approach that
Kind of
President Obama has
approach.
pursued, I think, has been a good one, and the facts bear that out. But it sounds like we'll have an opportunity for another president to come in and suggest a different approach.
Look at the
But we'll have
Billy.
a chance to see how it stacks up with the approach put forward by the Obama administration.
You're the man.
Kevin,
Josh, can you have someone?
You got you the man revealed here. On Pink Show.
Sort of rattle off those economic ones. I appreciate that. On the carrier thing, I know
Petrie,
you're just making the point
Byler,
that
and you the man
very good
here.
success in your
Got
approach
it.
economically, but I think some people wondered if you were kind of taking a shot when you said, well, he's going to have to do it 800 more times to sort of get to where we are. Given the sensitivity of the people on the ground,
Well,
very worried,
Petri
very
dishes
concerned about losing
are
their jobs.
100
Did you
x
want that
15
back?
millimeters.
no, because again, I certainly am not doing anything other than welcoming the announcement from Carrier.
Our
that
phone
it's gonna
number is
benefit
310-9965.
potentially 1,000 families in Indiana. That's good news.
That's good to Niagara news.
I don't have anything bad to say about it.
One up.
I think the observation is just
If the observation is A petri dish
A coherent strategy will be
is
required
100 by 15
to ensure that people all
millimeters.
across the country can enjoy the benefits
What goes in
of a
here?
particular economic strategy. And the economic strategy that we have put forward is one
Or
that
tweet us at
saved actually more than 1 million
FRESH_
jobs in the manufacturing sector.
jobs in the
and
UCLA,
created,
JORN,
another 805,000
JORDNZ,
jobs in the manufacturing sector.
every 20
So,
minutes of the hour.
again,
MerriweatherA.Law advanced light years
I think if
ahead.
anything, I'm suggesting that
I love the song. Close the
success of
doors,
the
seatbelts. Music will sync
incoming
into the sound
administration
system.
in protecting
Temperatures on
those
67
manufacturing
degrees.
jobs is something that they're going to have to
We're in a
aggressively ramp up if they want to meet the
17
standard
luxury from me to you.
set by
You
the
can run your
Obama
windows up, you can
administration.
run those down.
Just a
You
little
can
rough
roll
math
with
would
us
indicate that,
to
if,
get the
President
finer
Trump was
things in
fortunate enough
life.
to serve
What goes in a
two terms
petri
office
dish?
for 8 years, he's probably going to have
Ask
to average
Kyler
about
Riggles
2 of
in
these
here, 'cause I
announcements
don't
a
know.
week, every week of his 8-year presidency.
Are they
in
from the
order to,
Bronx?
meet the same standard.
You've got it.
So, bar's high, but
You've got
he'll have an
Kyler.
opportunity to try it his way, and we'll see if it works.
And you've got the other one.
I don't want to make more of this perhaps than some people.
Yeah.
The president was talking about the
I used to be a guy.
nature of this sort of patchwork.
Used to be a guy. Hello.
Marijuana laws, Colorado and Washington. There's a new one in California, Massachusetts, and then other states have medical marijuana provisions. He's not suggesting.
Don't say that on the air.
He's suggesting that there needs to be a
We're not saying that.
standard.
Today's show is WUGceLANCE. That's probably why.
The management of
Our show is
I
WUGceLANCE,
think what the president is
Cocoran,
suggesting
David
is
Reincarnation,
it's increasingly
who reincarnated
difficult
himself.
for federal law
WUGceLANceCoCoranDRpicEICX19.
enforcement
Talina
to
Berry,
be enforcing the law differently in a
Talene.
variety of states. And
You've got Private Industry Council
as we
and Earned
see
Income
more
Credit.
states change their laws
Piccolo
with regard
Susan,
to
Piccolo
marijuana,
McDoug.
it makes it more
You've got an
challenging for
email.
federal law enforcement officials
You've got
to
mail. Do it at home.
enforce the law.
From Buff State to You've Got Mail.
So that's something that I think that the next administration
Free
is gonna have to
hours
grapple
of
with, and
American
certainly law enforcement
Online.
officers and the
Free
next
CDs.
administration and some policymakers are going to have to sort of consider what's the most effective way to
Consider
move
CompuServe
forward here.
and
I don't think the
compact
president at this
computers.
point was trying to signal any specific policy
Thank you for
change,
serving us. U.S.
but,
courts,
rather
Citibank,
just indicating that
judgments,
this is an
and
increasingly
CompuServe,
complicated
AOL
situation
Online
that
free disc.
is facing federal law enforcement officers.
They gave them free
Also
hours.
about something the incoming president-elect has said
They
about
gave them
regulation. It's
free
actually,
hours.
well, two parts. First of all, is the
You've got it.
president
We work for the
engaging
law
in
firm.
any midnight regulations push?
They think we're gonna
between
work
now
with
and
them
when he
again.
leaves office? And I guess the second
Good
part
Lord,
of
are
the
they
question,
serious?
given that, the president
They want us
is
to
suggesting that
cocoran
for every
again.
new regulation, maybe we ought to take away 2 others. And I've heard the president himself
We
suggest
deny that Cocoran job again. Denied.
Cumbersome, to say the least. Does he agree that this might be a
We can't
useful
work
way
for the
to get
firm
better
again.
cleaning up
Good Lord,
regulatory policy?
Cocoran.
Kevin, I can tell you that the regulatory work that's
The
being
answer
done
is
in this
no.
administration,
Absolutely
is
not.
not going to be characterized
We're not gonna
by
Talina,
a last-minute rush.
Gary, and Harold again.
I think what it will be characterized by
And
is a,
Todd,
continuous
Lorraine,
and persistent effort to complete the work
Anita
that's already
Boo. We're not
started.
going to work
And
for
that
the
is to say
firm
that there are a
again.
number of
Cocoran.
rulemaking actions that were commenced earlier this year that haven't yet been completed, and we
Yeah,
to
we're
complete
not.
them on schedule before President Obama leaves office. But these are, in every case that I'm aware of, rulemaking
We're MerriweatherA.Law.
that began before the outcome of the election was known. And the president's view is that that's
Well, that does it
a
for our
smart
show.
way to make
Remember,
rules and make regulations.
Verizon,
Also,
light
it's a
years
smart way
ahead.
to
MerriweatherA.Law is working for you, advancing clients.
and ensure
Light
they have the
years
maximum
ahead.
benefit.
There's no
With
other
regard to
network
this idea of
that
taking
matches
away
our
2
success.
for every
Verizon.
rule that's taking away 2 rules for every new rule that's
No, but please
initiated.
fries. Hello.
That's the kind of thing I think that probably sounds pretty good on the campaign trail, but maybe a little bit more
It's a
complicated.
car
when
wash.
you
Get in, get out. Dry your car.
And the reason I say that is
Gloss your
not because
tires.
the president's against
Go.
eliminating
Yes,
regulations.
just super
In fact,
kiss. Hurry up and go.
President Obama has actually presided over a regulatory look-back proposal that has
Wash and
resulted
go.
in the elimination of a substantial number of regulations.
Thank you. That is a fresh show. We'll talk to you guys later.
Economic benefit. We can get you the particular
Have a
numbers.
wonderful
So we've been engaged in
afternoon.
regulatory